Today I'm going to make harissa, which is a delicious, hot, smoky, and tangy North African sauce. Harissa is very versatile, great as a condiment or served with grilled vegetables or seafood. Here I'll use harissa in a Tunisian market sandwich. Here I have guajillo chilies that I've soaked in hot water for 15 minutes until soft. In a food processor, add the drained chilies, garlic, coriander, caraway, and cumin. Puree until smooth while adding olive oil. Set the harissa aside, topped with enough olive oil just to cover the sauce. Next, we'll use our harissa in a Tunisian carrot salad. In a mortar, pound together garlic and salt, and add caraway, cumin, lemon juice, and the harissa, mixing well. Add the olive oil and whisk to amalgamate. Pour this mixture over grated carrots and set aside. The next component of the sandwich is mechouia, which is a Tunisian charred vegetable dish. Delicious on its own as a side dish, and also amazing in this sandwich. Here I have roasted julienne red, green, and jalapeno peppers, as well as roasted tomatoes and onions that I've charred under the broiler, then peeled and julienne. Toss together the peppers, onions, and tomatoes with some parsley. In a separate bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon, salt, and pepper. Then toss this with the pepper mixture. Set this aside. For the tuna confit, I gently poached a tuna belly with olive oil infused with herbs. I'm using an olive oil with a delicate green fruitiness to complement the mild flavor of the tuna. Now we'll put together our Tunisian market sandwich. Remove some of the bread inside the roll to make room for the ingredients. Slather harissa on the bread, then stuff with sliced boiled potatoes, mechouia, chopped hard-boiled eggs, preserved lemons, olives, capers, Tunisian carrot salad, and tuna confit. Drizzle with olive oil. There you have it, Tunisian market sandwich, one of the best sandwiches that the Mediterranean has to offer. For the full recipe, go to theplantforwardkitchen.org or find the recipe link below.